Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Emilia Clarke. Where's her dragon?
Emilia Clarke. Alright, this has got to be one of the most accurate drawings that I have made. So for this one, this drawing is tricky because her hair is all over the place, both on the left hand side, top, right hand side, and at the bottom we have her jacket. So for this particular drawing, make the borders of her face first. See, this is the only border that you need to worry about. That's it. That is literally it. Make the eyes, make the nose, make her mouth, shade it. Now remember, at this point we have not drawn any of these points. Make once her face is complete, and then you start with not the hair, with her jacket. Yes, face, then the jacket. Once you're done with the jacket, and then you can go all out with the hair. And look at this. It starts from the top, glides down. This one turn all the way to the right hand side, and these stray hairs you can make it all of your own. It does not matter which. You can make it all here also, there also, because it's hair. That's why it's simple. So hope you had a great time.
Thank you so much for watching that video. You're the best. You know what to do. Just do it. Just do it. Put your thoughts in the comments.